Hi, this is Deepak. I'll tell you one important concept that is basically about Kafka, how internally it will work, and how the notification is generated from the one node to the different node. What is one-to-one communication? What is one-to-many communication? In that, I'll tell you basically one-to-one communication. Producer will produce some notification. It will consume by the consumer. Basically, one-to-one communication. One-to-many producer will produce the message. It will consume by the multiple consumer. That is called consumer group. That is one-to-many communication. Just got it. Okay. How notification will generate in a real-time scenario? Insurance company will produce. Insurance company basically generate the notification like before policy is going to expire, before 10 days or 15 days, as per IRDA guideline. Before 30 days, it will generate some notification. Policy is going to expire. Please renew the policy, like that. That is the renewal notification. Policy cancellation notification. If it is not eligible to fulfill the guidelines, that is the basically policy cancellation notification. Or suppose OD notification. Suppose OD you are not eligible for the own damage policy. Basically, suppose he does not meet the guideline. That notification is also generated in health insurance. Suppose PD is there, that particular customer is not mentioned. He has pre-existing diseases like DVT, vein thrombosis, and that is cancer type disease, testicular disease, some or maybe kidney related diseases, or heart related cardiac thrombosis, not cardiac thrombosis, that is the vein thrombosis, that is called cardiac, that is pulmonary embolism, basically that type of disease. If it is there, you have to mention before taking policy. Okay, if he did not mention, after a checkup, policy is going to be cancelled and notification will be generated. If 1 million customer is there, multiple customer will take the policy. 1 million, suppose 10 to 6 notification will generate. How it is generated? That is basically Kafka concept comes into picture. How come Kafka will work internally? Suppose I draw a diagram, basically cannot see this, I'll tell you all those concepts. Basically producer is there, consumer is there. One notification will generated basically it will work under the cluster. In cluster, broker 1, broker 2, broker 3, like that it will be there. Broker is nothing but a server 1, server 2, server 3, server 4 is there. It is a what it is called, it is partition. His broker is partition. Suppose partition 1, partition 2, partition 3, partition 4, like that. A number of things will be there. Partition will be there in that partition. Offset will be there. Suppose all those, I forget to mention, all different notification, whatever it is generated, it is symbolized as a topic. Okay, different topic we can call. That renewal notification is one topic. Policy cancellation is another topic. Through that topic we can know whatever the notification it is. That basically a topic, it is already there. Value is also there, like messages. Okay, key is also there. Partition is there. And offset I already told you in which mechanism it is basically used. Suppose that notification is generated, it is going to the server. Server is nothing but a broker. In broker, partition will be there. Through that partition, it will transfer to the basically consumer. Which consumer? Multiple consumer group will be there. Not consumer group. Multiple consumer will be there. That multiple consumer 1, 2, 3. That is called a group, consumer group. Okay, in that scenario, if real-time scenario, if that broker 1 goes down, then how it will handle? Suppose notification is that is renewal notification, 1 million notification generated, broker 1, but it goes down. In that scenario, multiple replica of broker will be there. Broker 1, in broker 1, partition 1 will be there. It goes down means replica of partition 1 in different broker. It will handle that what server goes down, whatever the application, it will take care of that. Okay, that is basically nothing but a distributed system. Distributed system is multiple server is there, nothing but a multiple broker. That is based on whatever I told you. That is the internal of Kafka. One more thing, important thing.